How's it going, everyone? Today we're unboxing the Dewalt DCC020IB, and this is an air inflator. You can use it corded or cordless. If you use it cordless, you do need to purchase a battery, one of the 20-volt max batteries. Let's go ahead and unbox this, and I'll show you what's included. So naturally, you do get the instructions that are included, and let's go ahead and unwrap it from this wrapping here. So first off, you notice with any of the Dewalt stuff, quality seems really good. I love the feel of it. It's got some nice grippiness to it, and it seems very well built. And some of the parts that are included on here, so we do have the pin, which is for your basketball, whatnot. We have another inflator, which will work for your bike or your tire, and then this one will work for inflating a tube or a bed, a blow-up bed or something like that. You can use that one for. We have the hose on the side, which, there we go, so that will detach, so you got your extra hose. This one also has an extra piece on there as well, which is super handy, and it attaches very nicely to here as well. I like that, so we'll attach it just down there. There we go, fits in nicely. Then on this side right here, a little door that opens up, and that's gonna have your cord in here. So this will be for your cigarette lighter in your car. So you can plug it right into this little piece right in there, and then plug that one into the plug into your vehicle. But the way that I will be using this one is with my 20-volt max system. So we'll go ahead and put that one back in there, and we'll switch it around right here, and you can see the other tube that you get included for inflating. But let's go ahead and look at the bottom right here, and that is where you can install your 20-volt max battery. So I've got a 5-amp one. It'll work with any one of these sizes for it, so you can go ahead and install it very easily just by throwing it in. Locks right into place just like that, and then that's how it's gonna look when you have it all locked in and displayed. So we can go ahead and power it on just like that, and then we have this little nozzle right here which you can just turn, which will allow you to select which pressure you want. So if you want it on 8 psi, and then you're just gonna tap on play. We also have this button right here, which is a light button, so it's an emergency light, and the light itself is just right here on the top. So if we go ahead and press the button, and that light will just go on. So you can use this as a flashlight if you want to as well. That's your unboxing and quick look of the Dewalt DCC020IB.